Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find hidden apps on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So guys, in order to check hidden apps on your iPhone, first of all you have to the first thing you can do is to swipe left until you reach to app library. Here you'll be able to find all the applications. You can tap on the magnifier on the top and you'll be able to go through all the apps that have been installed on your device right now, and they have been removed or hidden from home screen. However, if you have deleted some apps and you want to see that all the apps that you have downloaded uh, at least one time on your iPhone and you deleted them, you can tap on App Store and then tap on your profile on the top right. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on Purchased, and right here you'll have to tap on Not on this iPhone, and here you'll be able to find all the applications that you once downloaded and then deleted. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know.